Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the watch and phone, charged to at least 50% in power on the Apple Watch. Once done, keep your iPhone within 1 meter, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and open the watch app. You will see a pairing animation. Hold the watch camera view over the pattern and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure to choose your wrist, set a passcode now for safety, and allow requested permissions so the watch can sync contacts, notifications, and health data without interruptions. Once paired, update the watch OS to the latest version via Watch App General Software Update. This ensures compatibility and fixes. Then customize a watch face. Press firmly on the watch, pick a face, and add complications to surface key info at a glance. Make sure Control Center shortcuts match your routine and selectively mirror iPhone notifications to avoid overload. Finally, install and organize essential apps from the App Store on the watch and sign into accounts where prompted so apps can function correctly. To use the watch daily, rely on activity rings and the workout app for track sessions, and use ECG or blood oxygen features when clinically appropriate. Make sure wrist detection and a passcode are active, add emergency contacts, and configure Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. If an issue appears, like failed syncs, restart both devices first, then reset network settings on the iPhone. If that fails, unpair and repair the watch via the watch app. One troubleshooting tip: unpairing creates a fresh backup you can restore from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.